Hey guys, another episode on head-turn cars. This time I'm going to talk about if you have a Hyundai or Kia car and you have the check engine light on and then you retrieve the code as P0087. So you want to know what's going wrong with your car with that error code P0087 here. 087 code, that means the fuel pressure is low, and it triggers the lights to come on. And for Kia and Hyundai cars, a lot of them has the GDI engine, which basically has two fuel pumps. One is located in the fuel tank, that's the low pressure fuel pump. And there's another one which is located on the top of the engine. I'm going to show you. Okay, so first of all, pull up the covers. The plastic cover here, as you can see, this one is the high pressure fuel pumps. It has to generate a lot higher pressures to inject the fuel directly to the cylinder head. And this thing here, I have experienced before that it broke down around 100,000 miles, and the dealership quoted me around $900 just to replace it. But I can tell you guys good news: if you have something wrong with the high pressure fuel pumps, it's actually very easy to replace. There are only two screws here, one on each side, and this hose you have to unscrew it, but just be careful. This hose here is a high pressure hose here, so just make sure the car is off and the battery terminals are unscrewed as well, and slowly release the pressure in there by unscrewing this tab here. And those two are just the electrical connection. It's very easy to take it out. So once you take off these three screws, 1, 2, and 3, this and the electrical terminals here, this thing will come off just like that. And just reverse the process to install the high pressure fuel pump back here, the new ones, and you're done. You save a lot of monies by doing it yourself instead of going to the dealerships and have to pay like $900 for that. And I will give you guys a picture and a link and tell you guys where to buy this high pressure fuel pumps in case you don't have any ideas. But basically, if you have a P0087 code on a Hyundai or Kia, late model Hyundai or Kia cars with the GDI engine, 90% of the chance is because of this, the bastard here. Alright, so hope you guys enjoyed and learned something from this videos. And any questions or comments, feel free to post it down there. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channels and like it. Alright, thank you, have a good one.